Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 14.3.10 and we're going to manage applications. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You have several applications that should not start when the system starts up. In addition, you have an application that needs to run on an older operating system. So in this lab, your task is to complete the following on Office 1. You're going to use Task Manager to prevent the following applications from running at system startup: CompTIA DVD apps, their event monitor, Intune, and SM66 Win32 utility. Configure compatibility settings for the C:/program files times 86 account wizard /account wizard.exe. So let's go ahead and start up. So we'll go to Start menu and we want to select Task Manager. And we'll go to Startup Apps. We want to CompTIA DVD. Okay. And so the event monitor, we'll go ahead and disable this also. Then we have Intune, right click and disable this also. And SM66 will disable this also. Okay, so let's see how we're doing. Okay, you're doing fine. So what is left is to complete the remaining task. So let's keep working. Let's go ahead and close this. Let's open this folder. Let's go to this PC and scroll down to C drive. In C drive, we want to locate program files 86, and from there we want to locate account wizard and account exe. Account wizard.exe, and I want to go ahead and go to properties and go to compatibility and we want to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and run in 64 by 480 screen resolution, and also run this program as an administrator. So go ahead and click OK. So let's see how we do. Everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Join my professional membership and you can reach me through my email. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.